Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be showing you how to do the steak on the Traeger and make some cowboy butter. So we're just cooking this outside. You can do this on the stove top too. We're just going to melt down a stick of butter. Then we're going to be adding some seasonings and some dried herbs to it. Obviously, if you have fresh herbs sitting on hand, feel free to use them. So butter's down. Here we got about a tablespoon of paprika, some thyme, some dried basil, some dried parsley, about a teaspoon each, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Just gonna get everything down in there. And like I said, you could add whatever flavors you like. You could take some out if you didn't like any of them that I put in there, but I would try it this way. It's gonna be good. So we're just going to give that a good mixing up. And to that, we're going to add about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Right now, we got some baked sweet potatoes going on the Traeger, around 400. So we're just going to come in with the juice of half of 1 lemon. We're just going to let this hang out a little bit until them potatoes are pretty much done. And this sauce will be good on veggies, pork, put it on whatever you want. But today we're going to be putting it on these steaks. So all we're going to do, get these ready. We're just going to salt and pepper both sides of them. That's all these need. These aren't going to take long on the Traeger. They said we had up to about 400. Them potatoes are just about done. So we're just going to get them down. I'm going to throw the thermometer in there too. I want to pull these at around 122 degrees. You pull them maybe around 125, and that carryover will take them up to perfect medium rare. That's how you like it. If you like it a little more done, just let it go a little longer. Just going to flip them over. About 4 minutes each side. There you have it. I'm going to pull these off, and we're going to let them rest for about 10 minutes. Get these potatoes off. I'll see you back outside when we get ready to plate. So we're just going to spoon that cowboy butter on that steak. I can't wait to try it. Tell you what, I'm going to hit a little bit on that potato too. We got a perfect medium rare cook with that cowboy butter. You definitely got to check this out for a nice steak sauce. So as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.